Lesson 8. All together now. The surface area of a cylinder on a box that is touching a wedge. The surface area is the outside area, the area that you would wrap around an object. When a couple of objects are touching each other, part of what is on the outside goes to the inside, and we need to be able to subtract those out. Let's have a look at this. Here is a cylinder with a height of 2 and a radius of 5. I'm going to place it on a box with a width of 10 centimeters, a length also of 10 centimeters, and a height of 3 centimeters. So this region here, this area on the cylinder, will land right there. Also, I'm going to attach a wedge. This wedge has a height of 3 centimeters, and the back side is 10 centimeters, so it will match this exactly. Just to save time, I'm going to start by halving the surface area of all of these objects. Let's do the cylinder first. Here's the surface area of the entire cylinder. Pause the video if you wish to have a look at the calculation. If it looks really too complicated, try going back a lesson or two to look at the surface area of a cylinder. So the surface area of a cylinder is 219.8 centimeters squared. The area of contact between the box and the cylinder is this circle right here, and we actually already have the area. So let me write that down. The contact area is equal to 78.5 centimeters squared. Now let's look at the surface area of the wedge. The surface area of the back is 30. The slope is 50. The base is 40. And the two triangular walls together are 12. So the surface area of the entire wedge is 132 centimeters squared. Note that the area of contact, the area shown in green on both the wedge and the box, is 30, and we just need to keep that in mind. Here, let me summarize. The wedge has a surface area of 132 centimeters squared, and the contact area is 30 centimeters squared. Well, what about the box? Here it is again. The top and bottom have a surface area of 200 centimeters squared. The surface area of the walls is 120 centimeters squared. Now, this gives the box a surface area of 320 centimeters squared. What about the areas of contact here? Well, that's just this one, which is 78.5. And also the other area of contact here is just this one, which we already know is 30. This makes the total contact area on the box 108.5 centimeters squared. All right, well, let's put all this together now. Okay, the surface area of the cylinder touching the box is the surface area of the cylinder, 219.8, minus the contact area, 78.5, which is 141.3. For the box, the surface area of the box is 320 minus the total contact area, 108.5, which my calculator tells me is 211.5. And finally, the wedge. The wedge has a total surface area of 132 centimeters squared minus the contact area of 30 centimeters squared, which I don't need a calculator for. It's 102 centimeters squared. So now we have it. The surface area of the composite is the sum of these three numbers. I'm trying to write composite here. Composite. It's equal to 454.8 centimeters squared. Well, I did a lot of popping in and out and moving things around. How about I leave this video with a screenshot of what I would look like if I was just working it out and not explaining it. Here it is. Here is the question. The surface area of the cylinder is here. This is the surface area of the wedge. This is the surface area of the box, and here they are all added up with the contact areas subtracted out, giving the final answer of 454.8. That's it.